Hello, sir.
Good morning, Cody, YouTube. What is up, guys? Cody here with CJ Built. Today we're here with Jose. We're going to be installing a downpipe on his EcoBoost Mustang. How excited are you about that?
Hella excited.
You're looking for the power, but also in the near future he wants to start shooting flames. Is that not right?
Yeah, you know, the JDM in me.
Yeah, bro. The quest for flames is what we're calling it. Alright, so basically, so we're going to be taking out this pipe, going down. It goes down all the way to freaking like half the car. But we're going to let the motor cool down a little bit, and then we'll show you what bolts to take off, just in case you're doing this to your Mustang. And then we'll do a before and after audio clip to see if it makes that big of a difference.
Let's get it.
Alright, so we're going to do an unboxing of the downpipe.
Alright, so what's up, guys? Again, I got this downpipe from Redline360, you know. Well, like how Cody said before, it's going to be like an install review type of thing. I want to see how it sounds, you know, the performance differences, if I get anything at all without a tune, but we'll see. Alright, so here's the downpipe. Good.
That is a lot of pipage.
Yeah, so it's gonna look something like this. Over here is connecting to the turbo, and over here is down back to the white pipe.
Let's let the car cool off, and then we'll start with the install. Alright, what's up, guys? We're gonna begin the removal of the downpipe on the back of the turbo on top. So let's start getting the bolts off. On top, there are two 15s as well as the O2 sensor. So right now, I'm gonna start with removing the bolts.
2 hours later.
Now you won't do anything there. Hey, what's up, guys? So it's a few days later. Long story short, we could not get the bolt off the back of the turbo. Tell them why.
Basically, when you're dealing with downpipes and stuff like that, the bolts, sometimes the threading on the turbo is rusted. So then, like when you're trying to take it out, like you gotta torch it to be able to take out the bolts. If not, then the whole turbo is gonna fall out with the threading. I went over to Miami Mufflers, great guys. They went ahead and installed the downpipe. I mean, you can see it.
So basically, if you're gonna be doing this to your Mustang, keep a torch handy. We were gonna do it, but I couldn't find my torch. And basically we kept attacking it and it wasn't moving. Put air to it, but it ended up backing out the bolt from the turbo instead of the actual nut. So that wasn't happening. He left here with an exhaust leak because we couldn't get it back tight. So he got it done. So now we're gonna do some sound tests. He's loud as hell.
Riding in the third with the all black tent. Smoke one hoe, get high with a pimp. Keep the front door, bitch, better bust down. Sipping no dip while we break down the lap. Just know one thing out.